Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Opofinance to TradingView in 2026. In order to do so, first of all, come here on tradingview.com. When you are here, you just have to launch any of the charts just like I did in front of you. So when you have launched the chart, simply click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner. Now it is going to show you the list of all of the brokers that you can easily connect with your TradingView account. In this particular list, we need to look for Opofinance. So here, as you can see, we have Opofinance icon available. If you are not able to find it over here, simply use the search bar on the top right hand corner. Then you need to simply search for Opofinance. When you are able to find it, click on its icon, then click on the option of connect. Now it is going to redirect you on the login page of Opofinance. Over here, simply provide your email address and your password associated with your Opofinance account. Then simply click on the option of login. Now, if you don't have an account on Opofinance yet, you can anytime click on the sign up option. Then you can create your account here very easily after providing your contact details and your personal details. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.